the first video in the history of YouTube, where you will learn walking human animation in PowerPoint. We shall not use any animated image here. We shall create it using only PowerPoint animations. Subscribe our channel, and you will definitely like this video. We have to use PNG image here. These images have transparent background. Click and drag over the area, and press delete. Now click on the Insert Pictures, select leg photo, and click Insert. Resize the image. Now click Insert Shapes, Oval. Draw a circular shape over the leg. This leg should be half in the size of circle. Place and adjust to the center. Now right-click the circle. Select Send to Back, and click on Send to Back. Click on the leg. Press Shift. Click on the circle. Stay on circle. Right-click. Click on Group, and select Group. Now click on Animations. Click Add Animation, and select Spin. Now we can see that our image is rotating. Click on Animation pane. Click on Drop-down button. Select Start with Previous. You can also select this later, but we are selecting this now. Now click again on Drop-down button and select Timing. Select Duration 5 seconds. Select Repeat until next click. Now go to Effect. Check Auto Reverse. Click on a Mount drop-down button, and change 360 degree to 30 degree. And press Enter key. Remember, you have to press Enter key. Now click OK. Now our leg is moving slowly and controlled. Now select this image. Click on the circle again. Now we can see that circle is select inside this group image. Go to Format. Click Shape Fill, and select No Fill. Click on Shape Outline, and select No Outline. Now we can see that circle has disappeared and only the leg is visible. Let's play this part of animation. Rotate a little bit to adjust the movement of leg. Now play again, and we see that leg is moving properly. Now select his image and right-click, copy, and paste. Now we have two legs. Adjust position of the second leg. Because this is the copy of our first leg, so this leg already has animation property. Now just click on drop-down button and select Timing. Go the Effect and click on a Mount drop-down button. And select Counterclockwise. Rotate and adjust the second leg if required. Let's play this animation. Now click on Insert, Pictures, and select Upper Body Image. Resize image to adjust according to the legs. Now insert image of hand with cane. Resize accordingly. Now insert an oval. Resize it, and adjust the hand to the center of this circle. Repeat whole process again and give rotation 15 degree. Select image and click on the circle again. Go to Formatting and remove color and outline of the circle. Now drag hand and add to the shoulder of body. Play animation. Now insert the second hand and resize it. Click on the slide and press Ctrl M. Click and drag over area and select text boxes. Now press Delete. Now insert image of the lantern. Now insert an oval. Draw it over to make lightning area of lantern. Go to Formatting Shape Fill and select yellow color. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. You can select of your choice. Click on Formatting and select Gradient Center. Select more gradient options and set transparency to 50%. Now click on Lantern. Press Shift, and click on Lantern. Right-click. Now click on Group, and select Group. Right-click and copy this image. Now go to first slide and paste. Now send hand to back of lantern and group the hand with lantern. Now repeat the whole process again to add animation. This time set rotation to 10 degree. Now add this hand to body and select entire body and copy. Now open the scenery we have created already here. Go to the bottom of File and zoom out the slide. Paste body here. Drag to out of the slide area. Now click on Animation. Add animation. Scroll down and select Custom Path. Now drag over and draw the path for the movement of the body. Remember, we have separate body parts to move together, so we have to select all parts at the same time and animate them. We need to slow it down. For that we have to change speed into 135 seconds. And press Enter. Now press F5 to view slideshow. And now see the magic. To create blur trees of the scenery, go to Insert, Pictures, select Image of Tree. Now go to Formatting, click Artistic Effects, and select Blur Tree option. To create the moon of the scenery, go to Insert, click on Shapes, and select Oval. Go to Formatting, Shape Fill, and select White Color. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now, go to Shape Effects, select Glow, and click on Glow. Now to Shape Effects, click Soft Edges, and select Soft Edges of 10 points. Now go to Shape Effects and select Glow. Click on More Glow Colors. And select White Color. To create rocks of background, go to Insert, click on Shapes and select Free Form. Color it and remove outline. You can also try different people or backgrounds. Thanks for watching.